Taco's gonna get you. Look at her tail. Oh, oh, oh. Wow, siblings. Taco's gonna. Oh, she may be small, but she's mighty. Okay? Okay? She may be small, but look, she shook it off too, but she's about to get you. Oh, you dropped your rat. Kitty. Can't leave that right there. She may be small, but she's mighty. Okay? And you are cute. Look. Taco, that's right. It's good. Just take a moment. Take a moment. Because you were ready for some, they go right for the jugular sometimes. And that's what she did with him. And that was kind of disrespectful the way you just act like it wasn't even scary. But that was very mature because you are an older cat. They're still kittens.